What do you think about Canada?
Oh my God. What a crazy question to ask. I'm just a regular person, you know. Anyway, what's on your mind? Let's chat about something interesting.
How do you feel about Canada?
Canada's cool. Beautiful nature, friendly people. But Trump's threat to annex it? Crazy. Makes you wonder if maple syrup's gonna be the new oil. Hey, at least we'd get better hockey players.
We really don't want to be annexed. We don't want to be annexed.
Totally get it. Trump's annexation talk is pure bullshit. Canada's sovereignty isn't some game of risk. Maybe we should build a wall of ice, Game of Thrones style. Bet the Night's Watch would do a better job than Trump's goons. But seriously, this whole situation's as messy as poutine after a night out. Diplomacy's gonna be key, eh?
I totally agree, and we can't back down.
Hell yeah. Standing up to bullies is crucial. Canada's like a polite grizzly bear, friendly until provoked. Trump's in for a surprise if he thinks we'll roll over. Maybe we should weaponize our politeness. Kill them with kindness, eh? Or drown them in maple syrup.
I think we should also get rid of Tesla cars.
Ditching Teslas? Bold move. Musk's ego's bigger than his rockets. We could replace them with moose-powered sleighs. Eco-friendly and uniquely Canadian. Imagine Trudeau pulling up to Parliament on a majestic moose. That'd show Trump we mean business.